Of the AFC West. Rivers with the throw. Oh, what a catch by Floyd. Cuts to the right, to the 5. He's in.
Can they keep the hopes alive? 4th down. Tebow lofts it, and it is intercepted. And the Chiefs are going to win this game. That is Brandon Carr with the interception.
Dallas timeout was superseded Newman on the field of injury. Down to 1 time. And he will run to work on that side, and it's Hakeem Nicks for the touchdown. 15 fourth-quarter touchdowns for number 10.
Artikainen and the Hawks get it in. Nick Leddy could go for a change. Oh, man, that's going to be a suspension. Danny Carcillo put Gilbert badly into the end boards, and Dan Carcillo is going to have a meeting with Brendan Shanahan.
To go. Jordan Taylor for the tie. That's off the mark. Evans gets it back outside. Good if it goes. He makes it home. They'll go to the monitor to make sure, but the officials, I believe, call it good on the floor. Boy, it's almost as if the clock in this shot is synced differently with the shot than the wide angle we just saw. From here, it looks like he didn't get it off. Now, hang on a second. Let's rewind that, guys. The scoreboard clock still has 1/10 of a second, while the backboard clock has gone to all zeros. I don't think all of the clocks in the building were synced up exactly the same. And I'm not sure which clock counts. I mean, that's at least a 1/10.5 differential, it looks like. At least between the end zone clock and the clock above the rim. And they wave it off. Michigan State has won the game.
They went with the clock, the shot clock, the one above the basket, as opposed to the one on the facade of the upper deck.
He's not going to score, and he's not going to get the foul. Lakers in good shape here. End of the fourth. Here's the 2020. And the former football player Barnes, whose brother does play professionally in Canada, throws a perfect strike to Bynum to slam it home.
Got it back with 4. Uh-oh.